Hey, moneymakers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is an exciting countdown of the coolest apps that can actually make you money. Get ready to discover the top 10 money-making apps of 2024. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Dosh, Cashback app. Our list begins at number 10 with Dosh, the cashback app designed to put money right back into your pocket each time you make an everyday purchase. Simply link your cards, indulge in your regular shopping, and witness the cash rolling in. It's akin to receiving payment for your shopping endeavors, adding a delightful twist to your routine expenditures. Number 9. Survey Junkie. Share your opinions, earn cash. Securing the 9th spot is Survey Junkie, an avenue where your opinions hold significant value. Recognizing the importance of your insights, Survey Junkie not only values your viewpoints but pays you for them. Engage in surveys, accumulate points, and seamlessly convert them into cash or gift cards. This presents a hassle-free method to make money during your leisure time, turning your opinions into a tangible reward. Number 8. Acorns. Invest spare change. Making an impactful entrance at number 8 is Acorns, an innovative app that transforms your spare change into an investment opportunity. By linking your cards, Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases, channeling the extra change into investments. It's a user-friendly and effortless way to commence your journey into the realm of investing, turning even the smallest transactions into potential financial growth. Number 7. Upwork. Freelance your skills. Seizing the 7th position is Upwork, a versatile platform inviting individuals of diverse skill sets to capitalize on their expertise. Whether you possess writing prowess, design finesse, or programming acumen, Upwork serves as the bridge connecting you with clients actively seeking freelance services. It's not just an opportunity to monetize your skills. It's a dynamic marketplace where you can earn money doing what you love, all while establishing meaningful connections in the freelance world. Number 6. Foap. Sell your photos. Breaking into the top half at number 6 is Foap, a creative haven for photography enthusiasts. If you have an innate love for capturing moments, Foap is your go-to app. Showcase your photographic talent by uploading your photos, and when they find buyers, you earn money. It's more than just a platform. It's a rewarding avenue to monetize your passion for photography, transforming your artistic skills into a potential and fulfilling income stream. Number 5. Airbnb. Rent your space. Securing the 5th spot is Airbnb, a transformative platform for those with spare rooms or entire spaces. Airbnb empowers you to convert that additional space into tangible income. Whether you're hosting travelers, showcasing your hospitality to guests, or renting out your place, Airbnb offers a unique opportunity to make money. It's not just about utilizing your space. It's about creating memorable experiences for guests and generating extra cash flow through the innovative concept of sharing your living spaces with others. Number 4. Robinhood. Invest and earn. Soaring to the 4th position is Robinhood, the revolutionary commission-free investing app. Dive headfirst into the world of stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies with the flexibility to invest with as little as $1. Witness your money grow as you embark on a fantastic journey into investing. Robinhood provides a user-friendly platform for both seasoned investors and beginners, making it an excellent starting point for anyone eager to explore the possibilities of growing their wealth through smart investments. Number 3. TaskRabbit. Get paid for your skills. Claiming the bronze at number 3 is TaskRabbit, an innovative app that connects individuals with a diverse array of tasks to those possessing the skills to complete them. From assembling furniture to running errands, TaskRabbit allows you to be your own boss, earning money on a gig-by-gig basis. This platform empowers you to showcase your skills, turning your abilities into a source of income while providing valuable assistance to those in need. Number 2. Uber and Lyft. Turn your car into a cash machine. Securing the second spot is a classic duo, Uber and Lyft. If you have wheels, why not transform them into a cash machine? Driving for Uber or Lyft allows you to make money on your schedule, providing the flexibility to earn while meeting new people along the way. It's not just about transportation, it's about turning your vehicle into a means of financial gain, offering convenience and extra income on your terms. Number 1. Swag Bucks. Earn while you surf. Claiming the coveted top spot on our list is Swag Bucks, the ultimate rewards app where earning meets convenience. Accumulate points effortlessly by watching videos, taking surveys, or shopping online. Then, convert those points into gift cards or even cash through PayPal. Swag Bucks stands out as the go-to app for turning your leisure time into a rewarding experience, making it the perfect companion for those who wish to earn while they surf the digital landscape. There you have it, the top 10 money-making apps of 2024. Try them out, let us know your favorites in the comments, and if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy earning!